So I got to know about this coin. Now the name of this coin is Wojak coin, and let me inform you that this is one of the underrated meme coin for now. Wojak coin is one of the underrated meme coin, but this coin has a huge potential. Actually, I have watched some meme of this coin, and it's actually good. Okay, the meme of this coin is actually good. So yes, early investing in this coin can be a great potential for you, but still investment depends upon you. So if you want to check their website, you can check their website at wojak.finance. Liquidity locked until the year 2100. Okay, so let me see that is there any latest post or not. Oh, you can see they have posted one meme, and the meme is actually awesome. You can read all this meme. So yes, Wojak coin is one of the underrated coin, and if you can see here currently, if I talk about the follower in the X account, you can clearly see it. They have 42.7k followers, but the way this coin is coming in trending position, very soon we can see the followers from 42 to 45. It's still not in trending, but highly chance it can come at trending position in crypto market. It is following 129, and if you want to have if you want to join any other social media, so you can join the Telegram also, their website. So let's visit the website once of wojak.finance, so that we can clearly know more about this. You can see here, approved by Peeps Meme Meter. The website is also actually looking cool. Just click on 3 line, and here you can see some place where you can know about the Wojak coin more. So I want to know it about from CoinMarketCap. So I will click on CoinMarketCap, and you can see here. So currently you can see that in one day it is down with 5.50%. But if I talk about the review of Wojak coin, okay, if I talk about the community of Wojak coin, the community of Wojak, according to the community of Wojak coin, they are very positive that this coin can give you a return, that this coin can give you a great return. According to the community of Wojak coin, this coin can give you a great return. But let's see how much return it will give in near future. Whereas if I talk about the market rank of this coin, let me see, here is the market rank written or not. Okay, but its market rank each for now is more than 2000. Okay, and if I talk about the market, so here are some market from where you can buy Wojak coin for trading. The main thing is it is listed on get.io. You can clearly see here that the Wojak coin has been listed on get.io, which is a great thing. Other than get.io, there are many platforms where you can buy Wojak coin. Like let me show you this all platform. Like if you want to trade, you can trade it in Uniswap V2, you can trade it in HTX, you can trade it in Lbank. But for now I will not recommend Lbank or Bitmart. Okay, as you can see some symbol are here, so I think it will be better for now. You can trade, but for now I can recommend you get.io, HTX or Uniswap V2 or Bitget. Bitget is also a good platform. You can try the Bitget also for the trading. And if you want to check the platform on CEX and DEX, so you can, if you want to go to DEX, because DEX is good than CEX. Okay, okay, in CEX, in DEX you can choose DEX, but if you want to choose CEX also, so you can go with Uniswap V2 or Uniswap V3 Ethereum. But whatever you do, you need to create an account on that for trading. Okay, so if you haven't created an account, just create an account if you want to trade. Now if I talk about the price analysis of Wojak coin, that in near 7 days how much this coin can give return. See, it is hard to tell for now how much this coin can give return, because this coin is going down continuously. But still, if this coin goes up, okay, but still if this coin goes up, it can give you a return of either 2.15% to 3.15%, or from 1.12% to 2.22%, highly a chance. but I can't say anything for now related to this. According to my analysis, this much return can this give coin. As I already mentioned before, that Wojak coin is one of the underrated meme coin, but still crypto users are loving this coin. And what I am saying, that this coin has a huge potential to grow up. See, Wojak coin has a huge potential to grow up. So other thing which I want to discuss here, that before having an investment in any crypto, it's always better to do a proper crypto market research. Why? Because crypto market is highly volatile. No one knows when crypto market will go down, and no one knows when crypto market will go up exactly. We can assume that this coin can give you return, this coin can give you this return, and still it is not listed on Binance. But if this coin get listed on Binance now, we can see a price pump in this coin, but not so much. So still this is one of the underrated coin, and this coin has to go very far for now. You can see the price here, and this coin has to go very far for now. So I hope you like this video related to Wojak coin, as I found one more meme coin to share with you. And please comment below that which one is your favorite meme coin. Do you like Wojak coin or do you like other coin? Because every crypto users have other favorite meme coin. So some like meme coin, some not. So comment below that if you like meme coin or not. And if you like meme coin, then what is your favorite meme coin? Is it Wojak coin or is it any other coin? And closing the video here, because video has already been lengthy from 6 minutes, okay, and more than 6 minutes. And please subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and we'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency token video. This video is related to the Wojak coin.